Hi, one and all present here. This is Surya from Full Stack Web Development, and today we are going to see about topic 4 interactive props in ReactJS. First of all, we want to note what is interactive. Interactive prop in ReactJS is just detailing how they are effectively utilized and to create a dynamic engagements. Okay, and it is used for the user interface also, and we can discuss their functions, implementation strategies, and the real world example to deepen understanding in this session. Okay, and first of all, I'm moving with the understanding props in React. What is props? A props is a property that can allow the common components to receive the data from the props to user. And the second one, the role of the props. How the props will be moving with the role step by step. It enables to communicate between the components. What are the components they have forwarded in React.js? It will communicate one by one. And immutable nature. The props cannot be modified by the child because the parent has been forwarded each and everything, and the child cannot be modified any of the document in React.js. And next one is understanding the prop in React.js. And this thing is to go along with this implementations and also the interactive props. And implementation, how we are implementing the interactive props in the components, how the design is enhancing with the flexibility and the user interaction. By creating a different types of components with dynamic things, the props can be handled with different events, and also it can be go under the conditional rendering, and you can go along with the building responsive and reusable UI elements along with this props. First thing, we are going to create a dynamic components. How we can create a dynamic components? It belongs with the interface of the dynamic behavior. Second one, handling events with the props. How we are passing the callbacks and how the function of the event is forwarded. We want to know about that. And next thing, and how the conditional rendering based on the props. Each and every render will have different based of props, and that props will be rendered along with the components. And next one, and we have different types of advantage in this. First thing, we are goes with the props and types and validation. And here the props is nothing but the types that checks each and every props along with this passed away props. And second one, default props. Default props, it already incubated along with the fallback values, and it cannot be provided with another settings of anything. And next one, functional component with hooks. The function, it go along with the state and the side effect of the component, and how the problems has been rectified with the props, and the props has been interactive with the business of each and every React.js problems, and these problems will be updated with the advanced things, and these things will be uploaded with functional DAs. And next thing, and the prop has been passed the data from the parent to the child, and the interactive props will handle some of the click points, for example input, selection or submission data. And now we are going along with the what are the interactive props works, how they works. First thing, parent. The parent defines a function, and the parent pass the function to the prop to the child. Child cannot be modified this. And next one, child triggers the functions through the users, and the parent will update each and everything one by one. And benefits of the props, interactive props. Benefit, how we can use the components, and these components can be reusable in this, and child cannot need any other state also. Second point, it goes along with the parent-child communication along promotes everything. And third thing, it's control all the components like forms. And the real world uses, how we are going to use in the real world. First thing, from handling. First example is text field. As we are filling the mail ID or any other forms, we get the text field. And checkboxes, how many checkboxes we want to add our details in that. And third one, drop downs, and what if we are a faculty, what position we are going along with that comes under the drop down boxes. Third thing, button clicks. After that every form is filled, what we are going to do, we want to submit. That is a button clicks option. And if you want to delete the option, we can go along with the delete option. Third one, if you want to update it actions, we can also update the actions. And the final is the model with open or close boxes, and passing each and every filters, how the child is going to do the queries one by one to the parent. And last one, interactive dashboards. For example, we can go along with the e-commerce charts. And these are the things are goes under the interactive props. So thank you all.